Hey YouTube, how are you? Wonderful Saturday. It's your girl Jackie with Mom and Daughter Travels. I just want to share with you what I got in the mail, and from T-Mobile. Got is the Samsung smartwatch Active 2 Rose Gold, and I got it for free. Free watch, free Samsung smartwatch. So I'm unboxing it now. I'm excited because it's free. I'm chilling. Today I feel a little blah because I just finished my radiation treatment therapy. And today's Saturday, I feel like, I did a lot. So, oh my God, I'm excited. So let me, wow, what does this watch come with? Okay. So let's see here. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's kind of, it's heavy, it's hot. It's so freaking hot in Florida, it's crazy. I can't wait till it starts getting cool. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's like heavy. Knock somebody in the head with this. Okay. So we got that there. What's this? I like how everything is like packed in a box for you. Okay, this is. I'll tell ya. Okay. See, this is the color. It looks like a brownish tan color, and it's supposed to be rose gold. Maybe was rose gold, but this looks. I like the color though. Real leather, real leather. Okay. This smells good. I'm gonna love this watch. All right, let me see what else is in here. Let me watches like Travel Channel. What's this? Ooh, I'm gonna break it. Do I open it this way? Oh, I think this is like, what is this? The directions. Oh my God, come on now. There we go. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's not good. Oh. Ah, shoo. Okay, comes with the quick start guide. What's this? Terms and condition. It goes another box. Oh my God, like this is so packed. Like it's packed so lovely. It's like everything it came that comes with the watch is packed in a box. I think this is the charger. Ooh, this is nice. You know, I wonder if I could charge my phone on this thing. Huh. Right? Like you put the phone like behind it. So this is the charger. It's not. I'm not focusing. It's a wireless charger. I think I could charge the wireless. Oh. Oh, okay. I think you put the. Where's the. You charge it, right? And then goes this. Oh, yeah. Look at that magnet. You charge it like that. I wonder if I could charge the phone with this. I'm gonna look into it. All right, let me put this on here. Give me a second. Okay, so I set it up already. It was a quick setup, like quick. Once you put your Bluetooth, once I put my Bluetooth on my Samsung S10, it automatically like connected to the watch and stuff. But let me go ahead and show you how this baby works, and I love it. Ooh. Let's see, I'm gonna do this. Okay. So I'm going to tap it, right? And then if I go this way, it's for to set up your you can see your notifications. I don't have no notifications. I deleted it. But here you click on the settings. You click on the settings, it's going to tell you go to your phone. Like you do everything from the phone and it automatically like hooks it up. So here's the time, the weather. That's the weather, 90 degrees right now. And daily activity. So I could set this for my daily activity, my walking and all that good stuff. Okay, here is the alarm clock, like to set my alarm. This is for, which one is this one for? This one is for reminder. And then to go back, I'll just click on this home button down here. Oh no, this one, the top is the home button, I think. Hold on. Let me do it this way. See if I get it completely cleared. Okay, so that's the home. My nails are all screwed up, so please don't look at my nails. This is the Galaxy Store. This is the world clock. This is your camera photo thingy. Next, running, cycle, swimming. Oh, I could check my heart rate. And it records it on your phone. You download the health app. That is it's searching for my heart, so my pulse. So I don't have the watch on, but my last check was at 89, and that's perfect. The calendar, and I could add stuff. Okay, so that's it. Let's click on this top button again. And then where's my Excuse my nails. I have to take this off. Where is... Huh. Oh, wait a minute. I think it's over here. Oh, I need to get my nails done bad. Wait, where's my apps? I got like my Instagram notification, my Yahoo like email, but you can't get, it doesn't have like the app. It's this one here in the middle, I think. No. I think it's the one in the middle. Huh. Yeah, here it is. So these are the apps that I have. You don't want that. Watch faces. Select watch face. Watch always on. I could set that. So this is my messages. It's like a little phone. I already spoke to my daughter. It's very clear. The voice. It's my settings. I don't know what they want me to do there, but let's see. Okay, what's going on? Huh. Click on it. That came up. Oh, now you want to come out really? Watch faces setting. What else? I don't want to set my face. Oh, apps permission, app order permission. Let's go back to that. Anyway, y'all, overview I like to watch. Oh my God, I don't have to be sitting on my phone. A timer. I don't want to add that. I'm still learning how to work it, but it's basically easy. I got it through T-Mobile for free. All I needed to pay was an extra $10 a month added to my phone bill, and I love the watch. I'm happy. Well, thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day. Ciao. Oh, subscribe, please. Subscribe. Just subscribe. Come on, I need you people. I'm getting so many views. People looking at my video and y'all not freaking subscribing. What the hell? So when this clock turns 8 o'clock, I hope to have a few subscribers that subscribed. Okay, y'all. Peace.